Welcome to our UAL Level 3 Games Development course here at CRC. With here, not only do you get the opportunity to experience all areas within games development, but you also have the opportunity to work for our student-led company, Rizing Games UK. Through the last 15 years, we've had the opportunity of working with such amazing companies, not only to be able to publish our games that students have made, but release them to major platforms all over the world.
Through our company Rizing Games, you have the opportunity to release your games to various platforms, including Steam, virtual reality, Nintendo Switch, PC, Xbox and PlayStation. This allows you lots of opportunities in your portfolio and in opportunities to meet with industry and talk about your ideas at our end of year shows.
Personally, what I enjoy about the course is probably how much creative freedom you get in all of the projects you do. I've always liked a variety of different sorts of games, and I feel like there's a place for everything if you really want to try it.
So I teach sound for games, which is implementing Foley, sound to put into games, so they're creating scripts and doing voice acting and including those into cutscenes for their games.
Before I started this course, I think the one thing that I would really like to practice is just understanding how code works and actually practicing in the different game engines that are available. So I would definitely have loved to learn a little bit of C++ for Unreal Engine, and I would also would have loved to learn a bit of blueprinting for that. And then for Unity, I'd love to have learned just a little bit of C# just to help, or really any sort of programming to help me get on with the rest of the year.
To be able to come and join us on our course, we do also look for entry requirements of 4 4s, but primarily your English and maths.
We have many networking opportunities such as JAGX and Frontier, and lots of different universities across the UK. These offer our students lots of different opportunities such as live briefs and feedback from industry professionals. Outside of the course, we offer great opportunities such as going to EGX, Comic-Con and even Disneyland Paris.
So if you like what you see and you've got what it takes to explore a career within games design and you'd like to join us studying this course as well as work for our popular company, then your application is now currently open.